Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add things to the quick go-to menu on the Nokia 105. So when you press this button here, you go to the go-to menu and it allows you to access things on the Nokia 105 quickly. However, if you want to add things to it, what you want to do is you want to come back out, you want to go to the main menu, and then on the main menu you want to come all the way down to the settings. And now on the settings, we want to go to settings. We want to go into that, and then we want to select options. And now here you have a long list of things you can add to the go-to menu. So let's say I want to add contacts. You want to select contacts, you want to press mark here for the middle button. You can add anything you want, and if you add something and you want to delete it, you can select unmark. So once you've done and you've added everything that you want, you press this top button here to select done, and it'll ask you, do you want to save changes? You press the middle button to save the changes. It'll be confirmed with this tick. So now when we go to the go-to menu, our contacts are now added. So that's how to add things to the go-to menu on the Nokia 105. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.